Oh man, I didn't notice. They refilled the wall. I should have got a bigger basket. This is a DIY score. Oh, my hand's stuck. This is painful. Here's a picnic basket right here. It has a lot of damage though. Is there stuff inside? Nope, it's empty. Ooh, shabby chic decoupage ornaments. I love these. It's a rose one. Oh, this one's kind of messed up. They're in good, oh, these might not be in good enough condition to pick up. This is cute. Look at this little sack. I would take this ribbon off. That'd be adorable with a Christmas tree. Got a pumpkin. Oh, I like this blue. That's pretty. I'm gonna get that. Some random wood pieces. It's a bin full of wood. I don't know what these pieces are. There's a bunch of them. What are these for? Do I need them? We got, oh, here's another one of those. Okay. Is that a chip? Oh no, that is. Look. You can see my finger. That's unfortunate. Oh, my hand's stuck. Oh. A wall hanger and some houses. I'm gonna grab this to put in my DIY stash. We can give it a little makeover. All right, they rolled out some new bins, so I got a nice little haul for y'all. This is wired greenery. I love this just to make little wreaths. Or, okay, so I got, this is a score, y'all. They're plastic, they're very light. You hear that? They're hollow. But you take this and you make a little wreath. Super cute. I got that one. And I got this one. I can put some antique glaze on them, paint them a different color, but they're in perfect condition and I love the size of them. Got 3 amber glass jars. This is a little homemade thingy, decorative piece, but I love that. And oh, 2 Christmas trees. Can't have enough Christmas trees. I got some little skulls. You know, it's not close to Halloween, but you gotta get the stuff lost out. Okay, this is for my son Waylon. He likes all the weird things. He's gonna love this. Look at the eyes on this bear. So that's gonna go in his weird stash. I'm gonna have to show y'all his room one day and all his weird things. This is some beautiful green velvet ribbon. And then y'all saw the wall hanger. This bin is full. Oh look, it's a jewelry box clock. That's cute. It does have damage. You put all your rings right there. Your necklaces. It's also missing a drawer. I don't know. I don't know if I can rescue this piece. A projector. I have not seen one of these in forever. Oh, there's some clear totes. Always picking up clear totes. Add to cart. They also have some pillows. Oh, these, I like the lids if I have totes like this, and this one's broken, so I'll leave that one here. Let's go check the wall. I just kind of been floating around. Oh, this is a big top. That's fun. Some big heart ornaments right here. Toys, movies. Here's some plates. Oh, we got some Christmas cups. Ooh, this is heavy. This feels like really good quality, but I don't think that is supposed to be on there. This one looks like it's in good condition. Here's some more Christmas ones. Oh, it says Japan on the bottom, and then they have these plates right here. These look like Falstaff. Nope, they are not. Looks like there's a few bins of plates. I need some pretty floral ones for my plate wall whatnot sale, but I'm not seeing that over here. Thick bowl. Oh, I have the bigger bowls like this. I don't know what brand this is, but I have some bigger ones like this. Ooh, there might be Christmas stuff in this bin. Oh, it's just a soap dispenser and shoes. Oh, y'all need some. I need some spiky red shoes. They got some here. Then ribbon. Any ribbon I need? Nope, I don't see any that I like. Oh, a red bird. I will get that. Oh, it had, man, tail's broken off. I will not get that. What is this thing back here? Is this, I think it's some kind of math thing. Child Guidance First Multiplier. Ooh, this bin's full. We got this heavy snowman. Right here, he's missing his nose. And it looks like a bunch of Christmas cards. And some frames. Here's another one of the, oh wait, no, that's the one that I already found. Okay, this is an interesting DIY piece found at the Goodwill Bins. It is a shoe. Somebody spray painted with a piece of wood and did a floral arrangement in here. What do y'all think about that DIY? Okay, what are these pieces just sitting up here? This looks like, oh my, y'all, this is insanely heavy. And these are some top pieces. I think I can get that out by just unscrewing it. That would be easy peasy. And then we could do a DIY on these. And look, here's another one right here. All right, getting all of these. This is a DIY score. Look at these giant pieces of foam. I could leave them this size, cut them up. I actually need these. I need to find a bag though that I can put them in instead of just throwing them in my cart, because like the stuff kind of comes off of them when you touch them. You know, if you DIY with these, what a mess they can be. All right, got them in a bag. Now I can do some floral arranging. I should have got a bigger basket. We still have tons of bins to dig through. They just brought out a new bin and I scored a few things. I got this piece thinking I could do something with it. I don't know, the closer I look at it, somebody did a really bad job painting it and it would be a lot of work to fix this up, but I did get these mats right here. I believe it's for this artwork, but you know, I could easily just take that out and use them as, oh, they're changing the walls again. Oh my gosh, I got a doctor's appointment today too. I can't hang around too long. Look at this cute little bear ornament. I feel like I'm getting a lot of Christmas bear stuff, so I might just have to put it all together and sell it. Also got this. I'm thinking this could be a DIY project because it's kind of heavy. It has a hole. Maybe we could give it a little makeover, put a floral in it. I don't know. It's going in the DIY stash. They have not had much good furniture lately. Let's check this wall over here. What's this? Handy map, Memphis, Tennessee. I remember when we used to have to use these to get around before GPS. That's cool. I'm gonna put it up here. This ribbon is pretty. It says very merry. That would be cute on Ren's Christmas tree if she wants to add ribbon next year. I think I might get this. I'm sure it wasn't cheap. Oh, this is a stocking holder, but it has a little planter on top. That would be a fun DIY project. Oh man, I didn't notice. They refilled the wall. I grabbed a purse. Let's go. All right, I got a few things. First, these cute snowman sweatpants. Whatever kid wants it. I'm thinking Waylon probably. I moved because the music was really loud. I got this. It's mixing the clock, so it is just perfect and waiting for a DIY. So that'll go in my stash. I got this little Santa ornament here, and then this one right here. It needs to be fixed up with a little glue, and it'll be good. So now they're changing out this side, and they just put out a new bin, so we gotta go. Y'all, I am so upset. Who in the world would do this? Look at this beautiful stone bowl. It is huge. It has a crack right there, but overall in excellent condition. Somebody painted it black. Who would do this? Can I get this black spray paint off? I'm very, very upset about this. Found another piece to put in my DIY stash. It's just a decorative book from Hobby Lobby, but it's in good condition. It's nice and thick, so you can put stuff on top of it. It has a little magnet to keep it closed, so I like this. Add it to the DIY stash. It's growing. This is painful. They have not refilled the wall yet, but I have to go. I have a doctor's appointment in 10 minutes and I have not even checked out yet. So I hope y'all enjoyed this thrifting adventure. I don't know how I ended up with a cart full of stuff, but I will put a total on the screen of what I spent, and I will see y'all in the next one. Maybe we can come back later today after my doctor's appointment. We'll see.